Let's pretend that it's a rainstorm. We'll use our fingers to play on our drum. Can you make some raindrops fall down? They can fall slow or fast. Pitter patter, pitter patter, listen to the rain, listen to the rain. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops, listen to the rain, listen to the rain. Listen to that rain fall down. Now let's brush our hands like the wind. Whooshing, swishing, whooshing, swishing, listen to the wind, listen to the wind. Whooshing and swishing, whooshing and swishing, listen to the wind, listen to the wind. Oh, it's so windy. I think I hear some thunder. Rumble, rumble, I hear thunder. Boom, 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 boom. Rumble, 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 listen to the thunder. Boom, 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 boom. Nice job making a rainstorm with me. Shh.